Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to Because Jesus Bible Journaling. Today I have a super fun video for you. I am unboxing some goodies that were sent to me from the Skipping Stone, and they make journals, jewelry, other things like that. I just have a box of stuff here that I'm gonna hop right into. I'm gonna actually set the box down on the ground next to me, and that way I can just kind of bring stuff up into the camera's view as we go through it. So first I'm going to start off by unwrapping these journals. They sent me an assortment of types and sizes of journals. One thing I love about their company is that 100% of their profits go to support a mission that is working with women in India who are coming out of human trafficking. So I thought that is definitely a cause I can get behind. This first journal here is kind of your more normal type journal. I just mean kind of a traditional type of a journal. And I asked for it in navy blue, but it does come in other colors like red or black. And it has this paper on it, the Skipping Stone, handmade in India. And it says, purchasing this journal enables us to free more women trapped in bondage in India. So this is a really sweet journal with lines. It does have a ribbon marker here if you're interested in keeping your place. It looks like it has a little pocket here in the back for keeping things. And that's about it. It's a very plain journal, but it feels really good in your hands. It feels sturdy and like it's going to be serving a person for a very long time. So I want to be clear today as I go through this, I'm really just previewing these items. I haven't had a chance to utilize them or test them out in any way, shape, or form. So you're really getting just my first impressions in this video. I'd like to do a follow-up video about the Skipping Stone and also include more information as I utilize these things and test them out for you. I believe in this package there are 3 different journals for me to take a look at. So we'll start with this one here. I believe this is the mini size journal, and you can see next to my hands. It is fairly small. It has this really cool opening locking mechanism that's made of metal on the front flap. It has beautiful, beautiful stitching on the binding to show that it is definitely handmade. This feels like a good quality material here on the cover. And then on the inside, it's kind of a rustic style journal. So they have the stitching done, and that's what's actually holding the paper in here. This is plain paper. It feels pretty sturdy. I bet you could use almost anything on it. I'd want to test out watercolor first before I went too crazy, but watercolor might work. This would be good for writing your scripture verses in or journaling about what has happened in your day. So I believe this was the mini size journal on their website. It's really great. The second journal that was in this pouch is this one here. And I believe it was supposed to have a blue stone inset right here. It has similar stitching on the binding. It has a cord to just kind of tie closed when it's not in use. It has some really beautiful etched details on the leather here. And when you open it, you've got a flap here to hold your place or close over this way, however you like. And same thing, this is stitched together, kind of a rustic style here. But again, similar kind of paper. This one is just a slightly larger journal than the other one. So again, this is really, really beautiful. I love this color that they've used. I'm curious about this stone. I thought it was going to be a little bluer. So I'm just giving it a quick scrub, and you can see it is kind of a blue stone, and then it looks like it has mineral deposits in it that are making it kind of metallic here as well. So it's kind of pretty. I really like the woven detailing here too. That's super nice. I feel like there might be some adhesive residue on this stone that's causing it to be a little bit discolored. The more that I scrub, the bluer it gets, and you can start to see that gorgeous color come through. See that? These are great options for you if you are into Bible journaling but not into journaling in your Bible. And here is the fourth and final journal. This is the back. It says the skipping stone on it. There's this little logo that they use right here for the skipping stone, and that has to do with the ripples that happen in the water when you throw just a single pebble in. They have a quote from Mother Teresa, something about you can't impact everyone in the world, but you can toss a small pebble into a pond and watch the ripples ripple out. Just cast your little pebbles to the best of your ability, the more good can come from that on a larger scale. So again, this one is beautiful, beautiful soft leather here. And again, you've just got the stitched in pages. Now this paper in this one is a little more rough. It has some speckles in it. It almost looks like artisan sort of paper where there's fibers and things visible. So that's kind of fun too. This one is much more rustic than the other three. Oh, and it smells good. It smells like leather, which I love. And this one has a tie closure as well, and then the same stitching along the binding here. So I believe I have a few different sizes represented here. A lot of their journals actually come in 4 different sizes, with the exception of this one. I think this one comes in only this size. But you can see here the differences between the sizes. So here's some more stuff that was also in that box. They encouraged me to sample a bunch of their different products just to show the range and selection that they have. Many of these items came in these little canvas drawstring bags, which are super cute and a kind of fun way to ship fine jewelry. We'll start with this one. It says Freedom Product, handmade in India. So this is a necklace that makes a beautiful sound when you wear it, and it's got 2 strands. So I love all the colors we have going on here. I think that it would be a necklace that you might be able to double up and get an even chunkier look. It has charms on it. They look like circles. There's some cowboy boots in here, all kinds of stuff. And again, I love the jingle jingle sound that it makes. Here's another necklace that they sent my way, and all of these again are available on their website. I'll have a link down below in the description box, and if you use my link to shop there, it doesn't cost you any more, but I do get a percentage of the sale just as an affiliate of theirs. But again, I just feel like this is such a good cause to support, ministry to women who are coming out of human trafficking in India. This third and final necklace that I asked them to send is actually made from a sari, I believe. The material that is around these beads was from a sari, and it says handmade 30 hours of stitch work right here. And this is one of their Jubilee necklaces. I believe that the Jubilee line of products on their website are all made at least in some way, shape, or form by the women who have come out of human trafficking. So that's a really special thing. So this is a ring. I hope you can see that clearly. It's got turquoise chunks in it, and it's supposed to kind of symbolize the heart going through rough waters but standing strong. So it's kind of golden in color. It has an adjustable band here. Another ring that was sent my way is this one here. It's a silver colored ring with a whole lot of detailing on it, and kind of a cuff ring, again sizable to adjust to different finger sizes. I think this one has a meaning to it as well. That's something I love about their products, is there are meanings associated with these things. They also sent me some bracelets. So this is a silver colored bracelet. I think it's a tiger's eye stone in it here. Again, adjustable to fit any wrist size. And an additional bracelet that they sent my way here is this one. It's an infinity symbol and then has this little doodad, this little turquoise stone bead hanging off of it. It's kind of a coppery gold color. And then I believe we are on to earrings with this bag. And these are little turquoise beads that are kind of dangling from these little flowers here. Those are really just cute and dainty. And then these ones are rose gold in color, and they are kind of engraved floral leafy patterns. Aren't those pretty? So these are the two items they sent me from their bag collection, bag, wallet, purse collection. This one has the skipping stone little logo on the front of it. It's an olive green bifold wallet. Feels like the construction is really good. It's a nice soft leather. And on the inside, you've got the skipping stone logo. Got a couple different pockets of various sizes on either side, and then you have a stripy fabric inside and two separate slots here. One thing that my husband noticed, and he's a big fan of bifold wallets, one thing he noticed is that it is a little bit longer in this direction than the current bifold wallet that he has, which he said actually will make it easier to get paper money in and out of. So that's something that he had to say about this wallet. And then this here is a leather crossbody bag. So this is the front here. It's got lots of engraving and beautiful, beautiful stitching all around. And this is the back. And inside here we have a snapping closure. We have the skipping stone logo there. Snapping closure, and then you have a long strap here, again for wearing as a crossbody bag. It is adjustable, which I like because I'm a woman who's a bit shorter than other women. So this will allow me to really get it to be that appropriate length for me. And then on the inside here, looks like we have one pocket here that goes the entire length of the back of the bag. We have a pocket here that just kind of opens like a pouch. We have another zipper pocket here. And then another pocket here that just opens up, and a place where you could possibly set a phone. Although I think my phone is a little too wide to fit in there. But you could put your keys in there or something for easy access. So this concludes this video, this fun unboxing. Usually I don't cover things having to do with apparel, jewelry, purses, but I just felt like our community here is one that cares so much about the needs of the global community around us, those who have Jesus in their lives and those who don't, and we want to do what we can to be helping others out. So if you're interested in checking this out, there will be a link for the website in the description box below. Again, if you use my link to shop for anything, I am an affiliate, so it is an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you any more, but I get a little bit of funds back from them. Let's support this cause, you guys. Human trafficking is a serious thing, and anything we can do to help out is always a good thing. Thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button. Join us over on Facebook in our Because Jesus Bible Journaling group. And also you can find my own personal Etsy store link in the description box below. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and let me know what you think of these products in the comment section below.